kind of videos do you guys want to see? Please take the time to leave a message outside of the VR headset, and so we can rank what kind of videos that you guys like better. This will help us VR creators, and it'll help you because you'll get to see more content, more of the type of content that you want to see. So number 1 on the list, we have photo shoot BTS, behind the scenes photo shoots. It's always fun to see what's going on set, to see the beautiful girls, the way the lights are set up and cameras. And I personally like to watch this kind of content. What about you? So number 1 on the list is BTS photo shoots. Number 2 on the list is documentaries. In this documentary, I was traveling through Thailand and Asia and China, and this one is an ongoing documentary. Do you enjoy this kind of content? Would you be willing to sit through and watch a 10-minute long episode if we flesh this one out? Number 3, virtual dates.
I was honestly surprised when I got here to find out that that it not only rained here, but it actually was cold here. Like, I came here, I've been out here for maybe about a good 6 weeks, and I would say for like the first couple weeks that I've been out here, it was like rainy and windy and everything, so it was definitely kind of a surprise. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be more than one season here. Like, I've only been here when it was like miserably hot.
Hey, I got a question. What are those? What's around your neck? What are those? What's your chain? What is that?
It's the Eye of Ra, and these are basically just amethyst beads. It's basically like a protection sigil. I had got it made, I think maybe a good 2 years ago. I think it's been about 2 years since I've had this.
Number 4, street interviews. Talking to people in different places. Some of these are even bilingual. Do you enjoy street interviews?
这边呢，就是很多帅哥美女啊，欢迎大家来垦丁玩。Hello everyone, I'm Xiaoran. In the day, I'm go to surf in beach. In the night, I have a smaller bar in the Kending Street. And welcome everybody come in.
新闻吗？
传播 communication.
Communications major. Okay. And what is the most popular major in college now?
Computer science or artificial intelligence, I think.
And 那个4年前是这样吗？还是就是这几年
？4年前我觉得是金融或者是金融和计算机吧。
Number 4, restaurants and chefs. Going behind the scenes, some of the world's different restaurants and taking you right into the kitchen or into the dining room and meeting some of the chefs. Number 5 is street markets. Do you enjoy these walkthroughs where we walk through night markets or fish markets or Fremont Street in Vegas. I don't know, these walkthrough of markets. And lastly, our artist interviews, where we talk to artists about their work and introduce you to some of the best up-and-coming artists around the world.
China, but I published it first time in France. Now I bring here to America. Then so I want more people to see my work.
And that's a wrap. That's the end of today's survey. Please let me know which type of content you want to see more of. And if I didn't list a category on this survey, pin that in, write it in, let me know if I missed something. If you see something here you like and you want to see the full video, go back through the channel. A lot of these segments are from full videos that I've done in the past. So go back through and check out the channel, see which ones you like. I really enjoy making content, and I'm always trying to get better and make stuff that is going to, raise the bar, raise the notch of what is a great VR video. So thanks again, and tune in next time for the next latest and greatest from McClarty Films. Thanks. Peace.